Hey, welcome to another episode of Beer's Jacket Barbecue. Today we're going to do a pork loin, about 6.5 pound pork loin. It's snowing outside in Pennsylvania. My trusty cameraman Jack isn't here today, so you're going to notice the audio is not as good. Just using my phone to do the shoot. I wanted to take advantage of the snow going on outside. So expecting 3 to 5 inches of snow. Going to show you the prep work before we take it on the grill, and we'll catch up with you then. Trying a different rub today, doing butt rub. Alright, so we're going to let this sit. This is a 6 3/4 pound pork loin. I'm going to set the fire around 300, put it out on the grill, but we'll come back later, see what goes on. Alright, so here we are with the pork loin. I'm going to get the pork loin on here. I was just looking at my temperatures here on the grill. It's only showing about 160 right now, but I just had it almost 300 degrees. Just put the racks in, put some smoke wood on, let that go for about 10 minutes. So I know it's going to come back up to temperature here shortly. Complete indirect cooking. Like I said, we're going to shoot for 300 degrees. As you can see here, we're in Pennsylvania. One of the unique things that we want to do with our channel is show the different cooks in the different temperatures. And as you can see, we got a nice snowstorm going. Only getting about 3 inches today, but well, it's a good day to sit in the house, have a beverage or two, and do some cooking. So, never cooked one of these before. Nope, I forgot to put the probes in. Don't know what to expect time-wise, but I'm going to be shooting for 300 degrees. I'm sorry, about 145 on this. And just want to get one on the rack there. For some reason I got an odd temperature going on here, but we'll figure that out here. It's early on. I'm going to probe it the whole time just so I can keep an eye on it. Alright, so it looks like the probes are working fine. We'll keep an eye on it. I'll let you know what goes on. Alright, so here we are. It's been on about 2 hours, so when the temperature's about 125, grill's right around 300. Boy, that looks good. Let it go, like I said, we're going to go to 145 and then we're going to pull it off. So, be back a little bit later. Alright, here we go. So, just putting the gloves on to grab this. Temperatures are like 146. I verified it, moving the probe around, and I'm going to pull it off. But boy, does this thing look nice. Again, first try at doing a whole pork loin like this. Well, take it aside, cut it up, and show you what it looks like. Alright, so that was the end of that cook. So we did a 6 3/4 pound pork loin. It was running about 325 on the grill, which was, I was fine with that. Internal temperature got to like 145. So I'm going to cut into it now and see what everything looks like. That looks nice, nice and tender. One more slice off of this. Yeah, actually got a nice smoke ring, juicy inside. Be a good dinner tonight. So we'll see you next time. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe, and we'll put the outline in the comments and we'll go from there. See you next time.